Hey folks, today we're going to be redesigning signage around our schools. When you're redesigning signage, you really want to think about how you can make it more usable for everybody in the school. That means considering people of different backgrounds. For my signage, I was considering the signage surrounding bathrooms. A lot of bathrooms say just restroom. I figured that wasn't that great because it's in English, and there's a lot of folks who either can't read English or don't speak English. So I thought that it would be better to have a sign that just has an image. This sign can be recognized by people who speak any language or don't know how to read at all. This way people know how to find the restroom without knowing how to read, and they can wayfind around the school better. What problems do you see in the signage around your school? How can you make them better for everyone?